Alright, pretty excited. We got a really good one here, you guys. A really good one. It's 3J's. I'm the Pineapple King, doing pineapple things. In this box, I've got something really special, something I'm really excited about. Put those there. Pardon me. A little warm in here. Excited. So in this box, I've got something from Costa Rica. Just recently discovered it. It's called a PinkGlow Pineapple from DelMonte by way of Tropical Fruit Box. I discovered this, wasn't sure if I was going to order one or not, and then curiosity got the better of me, so I had to order it. So that's what I've got in this box right here. I've got a PinkGlow Pineapple, and I'm about to unbox it. Put those right there. We're going to open this bitch up. Gentle. Gotta be gentle, right? Gotta be gentle with it. Let's see if we can just give it a rip. It's already, ooh, nice. That's nice. We open it up. We're greeted with, I'll show you. We open it up. We're greeted with this. PinkGlow Pineapple. Looks like a nice little certificate. I feel like I should open this certificate before I open the pineapple. I'm kind of feeling like I should do that. So let's see, this is pretty special. How many pineapples you know come with this? Fresh, DelMonte, Jewel of the Jungle. Jewel, Jewel, Jewel of the Jungle. Jewel, Jewel, Jewel of the Jungle. That's all you're getting. DelMonte PinkGlow. Let's check this out. Okay. Certificate of Authenticity. DelMonte Quality PinkGlow Pineapple. We hereby declare that this is a 100% authentic, tropically grown PinkGlow Pineapple. Congratulations on obtaining this royal delicacy. As you can see, I am the Pineapple King. I do have a pineapple romper, and that's pretty exciting. I will always treasure this. Now, let's see. Let's see what we got. We got this. We got to take that out, right? I'll let y'all see it first. Feels like it might have been some sort of cooling pack. It's not going to come out super easy. So I'm just going to... Oh, that's why. Because... Look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, so this is it. This is my pink pineapple, my PinkGlow pineapple. As you can see, they take the top off, probably because they don't. I'm going to see if there's any possible way this might grow. Not real sure, but also not real sure if you all know the correct way to eat a pineapple. There is rumored to be this correct way, but I'm not sure if it's going to work with this because you're supposed to pull these pieces out from the side. But this feels like it might be a little too hard for that. And some people say to smash it. I have heard to put pressure on it and roll it. But like, this table's one of my favorite tables. And I'm not sure if this table can stand that. So as much as I want to demonstrate the correct way to eat a pineapple with this thing, I don't know if that's really an option. Because what I really want to do is just eat it. I'm not going to cut off the top. Well, I guess I have to. I guess I kind of have to cut off the top. But I wonder if one of these will just come out like they say you're supposed to eat it. It's supposed to just pop out. I don't know. I can see how pink it is though. What do you think? Should I just cut into it? Just cut into it. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pretty pink. We're going to see if we can get that to grow. Wow. Oh my God, it smells so fucking good. Do you see do you see that? Do you see that pink? It's pink. It's so pink. I just want to stick my finger in it. I'm not going to though because I've got big plans for this pineapple. It's going to be put on a burger, and it might even go into some pina coladas. But we'll give it a nice little, we'll taste it right now. We'll taste it right now. Man, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. I'm just going to eat it. It's good. Oh yeah. It's good. This stuff is it's fire. You should get one. It's not like a regular pineapple. Like a regular pineapple is golden or yellow. This one's pink. This is good. This is pretty good. You wouldn't think so? It's good. It's way good. It's got a core, just like any other pineapple would. I've got to have one more. But I might take the core out. Because I feel like I don't mind the core so much. It'll be really tender without it. It's really good. It doesn't taste It tastes like, you know how this is perfect. I'll tell you what it tastes like. I'll eat the core. I'm not going to waste it. This is, I've got it. Just got to make sure. Yeah. The thing about the pink pineapple is that, you know how you have lemonade and then you have pink lemonade, but like you don't really know why pink lemonade's pink, it's just pink. Oh my gosh. That's what this is like. It's like if you have lemonade and like you've drank lemonade your whole life and you don't know there's pink lemonade, and then you try pink lemonade and you're like, I love pink lemonade. But then you've eaten gold pineapples your whole life. That's all you've known. And you discover a pink pineapple. Pink pineapple is straight fire. I think that's enough. As much as I want to eat the rest of this, I have this hamburger that I'd like to make. And I think that that's what I'm going to do is cut this into a couple other pieces, share it, and then make a burger out of it. So, yeah, that's I think what I'm going to do. So we're just going to cut it to even it. I might eat that piece. Here's one burger. Damn it. Well, that's it. That's it, folks. This will be the piece I put for my burger. And this is my last piece for tonight. Oh no, I got this too. It's good. You should go to tropicalfruitbox.com and get yourself a pink pineapple, because this is the first pink pineapple I've eaten, but it's not going to be the last pink pineapple that I've eaten. So, thanks for watching.